2 minutes of tech. This episode is going to cover how to make a contact list in Outlook 2013. From the view of your emails, you're going to scroll down to the People tab, and it's going to open up a new window. You may not have any of these business cards in yours. This is just from all the contacts that I have placed into my Outlook. Now, to create the contact group, you simply click on New Contact Group. It's going to open up a new window. We'll name this one Test for Video. Now that I have a name, I can start adding members by clicking on the Add Members button. Once I click Add Members, I have a choice of from Outlook Contact, from Address Book, or New Email Contact. If this is a contact list of people that are all in the Dodea Global Address List, you can click from Address Book. And you'll see, let's say I want to add myself. I will find myself. There I am. If I want to add some of our staff members, I'm adding Mr. Walk. Let's see. We can add Ms. Rojas. And you can just continue searching and adding members as you need. Once you have them all in there, you can click OK. And they will add to that contact group. If you realize you've forgotten somebody, you can click on Add Members again. If you add someone that you shouldn't have, maybe you got the wrong Walk, maybe you got Mrs. Walk instead of Mr. Walk, you can hit Remove Member and it will, I'm going to get rid of myself. It'll get rid of them. Then we hit Save and Close. Now we see that in here we have the Test for Video contact group. Once I go back to my regular mail, I open up a new email. If I type in test, you'll notice that it pops right up there. I don't even have to pre-enter it. And that will have all those people in it. If I expand it, there they are. So that's really all there is to creating a contact group in Outlook 2013. I hope you enjoyed that 2 minutes of tech. Thanks for watching. See you next time.